sent us up north to the Malaysian shore, to the Butterworth Air Base and the threat at the door. With a live round load on a dangerous line, we defended the base in a critical time.
But back in the offices, safe and dry, they needed a label, they needed a lie to hide the deployment from the public view. They invented a training myth out of the blue.
They called it peacetime in the morning news, a clever deception to shape public views. An invented myth to cover the trace of warlike service at a vulnerable base. Now the paper walls are starting to crack, but the state turns around and won't look back. Deter the insurgent threat, ever vigilant and ready in the tropical sweat.
The training illusion was a disc-bound plot to rewrite the duty that the ministers forgot.
Now the tribunal's ruling sits on the desk,
exposing the cover-up, plain and grotesque.
The fiction of training has finally cleared,
but they ignore the report that they always fear.
It wasn't an exercise, it wasn't a game. The warlike service deserves its true name.
Stand up for Rifle Company, Butterworth Minister, acknowledge the truth.
Sign the paper on your desk and tear down the